So today you are going to learn about how to use Leonardo.ai. I mean how you will get access to Leonardo.ai. First, you can check the results of this tool. Go to this website link in description. On first page you will see Meet Leonardo.ai. Down below enter your email and click on Count Me In. After this a Join Discord button will shown on your screen. Click on it and accept the invite. Now you have joined their channel. They will ask 4 questions. First is languages. Select the language which you speak or skip this. Select Create Art and choose both of these options. After selecting the language, click on #priority early access. Form link will be shown. Fill the form. Enter the basic details. Remember, enter the email which you have entered in the first visit of page. Now go back to the website and click on Launch App and choose Yes on Whitelist. Finally, you get the access to the website. You can check this awesome AI tool, and I will be uploading a new video specifically on this AI tool. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.